Now H, the increasing length of a metal rod depends on the initial length of the rod only, the rise in temperature only, the material of rod only, all the above three
Sir,
factors. The answer is
fourth.
all the above three factors, all these factors.
It's the fourth one.
Yeah. Huh? Fourth option, yes. Now the correct statement is iron rings are cooled before they are placed on the cart wheels. Is it true? No, iron rings are heated up before they are placed on the cart wheel.
Yes, sir.
Second option, a glass stopper gets tightened on warming the neck of the bottle. When we warm the neck of the bottle, the glass rod expands and it becomes loose. And they have written that tightened, which is wrong. Third
Yes,
option,
sir.
telephone wires sag in water but becomes tight in summer. This is also wrong. Telephone wire
Yes, sir.
becomes
Sir, fourth one
sag
is
in
correct.
fourth one. A little space is left between two rails on a railway track. The fourth option is correct. And I think we have discussed all of these we have discussed before. Now, short or long answer questions. Number one, what is matter? You know matter definition and what is it composed of? Tell me what is it composed of? Matter. Matter is composed of what?
Sir, molecules.
Molecules. Yes. Number two, name the three states of matter and distinguish them on the basis of their volume and shape. I think you know about that. Three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has a fixed volume. Gases are liquid, they do not have fixed volumes. And shape, solids have a definite shape, whereas the gases and liquids, they do not have. Okay. Now, number three, distinguish between liquid and vapor or gas states of matter on the basis of the following factors. Arrangement of molecules. I think you know that. In liquid, the molecules are far apart, but they move within the boundary of the container. And
Sir,
in
can you
gases, the
repeat?
molecules are arrangement of in liquid. You know what type of arrangement we have? The molecules are far apart and they move within the boundary of the container or the vessel. Whereas gases, the molecules are very far apart and they do not move within the body, they spread in all directions. That's why gases we cannot contain. Gases we cannot contain. I mean, gases when you open it, when you keep it open, then it expands. Intermolecular separation, that in liquid intermolecular separation is less, and in gas the intermolecular separation is maximum. Now, intermolecular force. In liquid, intermolecular force is more or is stronger than the intermolecular force in gases. Kinetic energy of molecules. Kinetic energy of molecules in a liquid is less, and in the gas it is maximum. Now, number four, what is evaporation? I think you know. Evaporation is a process in which a liquid changes into vapor. Okay. Explain on the basis of molecular motion. On gaining it, the molecules kinetic energy on the surface increases and the molecules start escaping. And the process is called evaporation. Now, number five, do all the molecules of a liquid take part in evaporation? No. If not, explain your answer because the surface molecules on gaining heat from the surroundings increase their kinetic energy and they escape. So that answer you right. Okay? Yeah. Now next one, number six. No, huh? no heat is supplied to a liquid during evaporation. How does then the liquid change into vapor? Because the heat is absorbed from the surroundings to the liquid. We don't supply any heat, but the heat is gained by the surroundings. Okay, now next one, number 7, comment on this statement. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon because it takes place only from the surface of the liquid. Now number 8, why is cooling produced when a liquid evaporates? Because evaporation time, during evaporation, the liquid absorbs heat from the surroundings and the surrounding becomes cool. Surrounding has to lose heat and becomes cool. Number 9, give reasons for the increase in the rate of evaporation of a liquid when air is blown above the liquid surface. When we blow the air on the liquid surface, the rate of evaporation increases because of the increase in the kinetic energy of the surface molecules. Because of the increase in the kinetic energy of surface molecules. Second one, surface area of liquids increases. When we increase the surface area of the liquid, the rate of evaporation increases because the surface through which the evaporation, more molecules are available on the surface. If the surface area is large, so evaporation rate increases because evaporation takes place throughout the surface. Larger the surface area, larger the rate of evaporation. Number C, 8C, temperature of liquid is increased. When the temperature of liquid is increased, the kinetic energy of the surface molecules will also be higher, and which results in the higher rate of evaporation. Okay? Check, it is being recorded, no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so question number 9 is done. Now, number 10, what is boiling? I think you know boiling is a process of changing a liquid into vapor or gas at a fixed temperature. Explain it on the basis of molecular motion. When the heat is supplied to the entire mass of the liquid, the kinetic energy of the entire mass increases, and which results in the escape of the molecules of the liquid. Number 11, why does bubbles appear when a liquid is heated? Why does bubble appears when a liquid is heated? Can you find a reason for it? Why we see a bubble when a liquid is heated? Okay. Bubble we see there. It is due to what? We see the bubble due to thermal expansion. It is due to expansion. The air molecules inside the liquid will be expanding there and will be forming a bubble. Okay? Yes? Now next one. How is the heat energy supplied to a liquid used during number 12. What is the change in the average kinetic energy of molecules of a liquid during boiling at its boiling point? The average kinetic energy does not change. That's why the temperature does not change. Kinetic energy is related to the temperature. Okay. Now number 13. How is the heat energy supplied to a liquid used during boiling at a fixed temperature? Heat energy supplied to a liquid is used in increasing the kinetic energy or is increasing the average kinetic energy of the molecules, of the entire molecule. Name 2 ways of changing liquid state to the vapor state and distinguish them. The two ways we can change liquid into vapor state is evaporation and boiling. Number 5. What do you understand by thermal expansion of a substance? You know thermal expansion? The substance expands on heating and contracts on cooling is called thermal expansion. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Boys? Okay. If you want to respond, please respond. Now, number 16, give 2 examples of the substance which expands on heating. Can you give 2 examples of a substance which expands on heating? You say iron, copper, alcohol, mercury. Any 2 examples
Yes,
you can
sir.
give. Now, next one is describe an experiment to demonstrate the thermal expansion in solid. No need to do that because they are already in the book also. No, I'll give many examples. The wire is hanging between the 2 poles. The wire is hanging loose. So all those we can discuss. We can give an examples and all. Now number 18, state 3 factors on which the linear expansion of a metal rod on heating depends. The 3 factors will be the original length, linear expansion is said, that means original length. Then it depends upon the nature of the solid and it depends upon the rise of temperature. 3 factors. Number 19, 2 iron rods, one 10 meter and the other 5 meter long, are heated to the same rise in temperature. Which will expand more? The one which is longer, 10 meter long, that will rise more than the other one. Okay, so today we do this much. Remaining questions are discussed in the next class and this chapter will be over. Then after the 2 easy chapters are very short chapters that will finish and the syllabus will be over. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir.